Ever wondered how some people seem to grow their wealth overnight while others tread water? Welcome to our deep dive into the world of investments, where your money works for you, and the possibilities are endless. Today, we're unveiling the secrets to multiplying your wealth, from the stock market's highs to the steady rise of real estate and the digital gold rush in cryptocurrencies. If you're ready to turn your financial dreams into reality, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey to financial freedom, together. Diving into investing might seem like venturing into a vast ocean, but let's start with the basics to make it smooth sailing. Imagine investing as a way to put your money to work, hoping it will grow over time. You could invest in many things like companies, pieces of land, or even digital money like cryptocurrencies. But before we jump into those exciting options, let's understand some simple ideas that will help us navigate the waters. First, think of ROI, which stands for return on investment. It's like a measuring stick that shows how much more money you've made compared to what you started with. It's the signal that tells you if your investment voyage is on the right track. However, there's a catch. The more money you hope to make, the riskier the journey can be. This is the risk versus reward balance. It's all about how much uncertainty you can handle in exchange for the chance to make more money. When investing, it's not just about picking the winning investment. It's about setting up a plan that matches what you're hoping to achieve and how much risk you're comfortable with. A good strategy is to spread your investments across different types, so if one doesn't do well, you have others that might still grow. This is called diversification, and it's like ensuring not all your treasure is buried in one spot. Remember, investing is a journey that requires keeping an eye on the map and adjusting your course as needed. The financial world keeps changing, with new opportunities and challenges popping up. Being informed and understanding the basics of investing is key. It's not just about making money, but growing as a savvy investor who knows how to steer through the financial seas. Now that we've charted the basics, let's navigate through the waters of traditional investments. These are the time-tested avenues that have been the backbone of wealth building for generations. They include stocks, bonds, and real estate, each offering unique opportunities to grow your money. Stocks are like buying a small piece of a company. If the company does well, your piece of the pie grows bigger. Think of it as being a tiny owner of a big company like Apple or Google. The stock market can be a roller coaster with its ups and downs, but over time, investing in solid companies can lead to significant growth in your investment. Bonds, on the other hand, are more like giving a loan. You lend money to the government or a company, and they promise to pay you back with a little extra as thanks for the loan. Bonds are generally seen as safer than stocks, offering a steadier, though often lower, return. It's a good option for those who prefer a smoother sail without the high waves of the stock market. Real estate involves investing in physical properties. This could mean buying a house or apartment to rent out, which can provide you with a steady stream of rental income, or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without having to physically manage properties. Real estate can be a solid investment, offering both appreciation in property value over time and income from rents, but it requires more initial capital and management compared to stocks and bonds. Each of these traditional investment paths offers its own set of opportunities and challenges. Stocks can provide high returns, but come with the risk of market volatility. Bonds offer more stability, but generally lower returns. Real estate requires more upfront investment and management, but can offer stable income and capital appreciation. Balancing these options within your investment portfolio can help manage risk and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key to successful investing in traditional avenues lies in research, diversification, and a long-term perspective. By understanding and leveraging these time-honored investment strategies, you're well on your way to building a robust and resilient financial future. Let's take a look at some of the more unusual but exciting ways to invest your money, which we call alternative investments. Imagine finding a hidden path in a forest that leads to unexpected treasures. These investments can be just like that. A bit off the beaten track, but potentially very rewarding. Cryptocurrencies are like digital gold. Coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum are virtual currencies that exist online and can be used to buy goods or held as an investment. They're exciting because their value can go up really quickly, but they can also be super unpredictable. It's like riding a roller coaster where you can end up with a big smile or a bit dizzy from the ups and downs. Crowdfunding platforms are a way to pool your money with others to support new businesses or projects. It's like being part of a club where everyone chips in to help get a cool idea off the ground. You might put money into a new gadget, a video game, or a local startup. If the project does well, you could make some money from your investment, but if it doesn't, you might not see your cash again. It's a bit like betting on a dark horse in a race, hoping it'll cross the finish line first. Collectibles and art involve investing in unique items like rare comic books, vintage cars, or paintings. These items are special because there aren't many of them, and some people are willing to pay a lot for them. The trick is to know what's going to become more valuable over time. It's a bit like treasure hunting, where you need to spot the hidden gems that others might walk right past. These alternative investments can make your journey to growing your wealth a lot more interesting. They can add some zing to your investment mix, offering the chance to make more money in ways that traditional investments like stocks and bonds might not. However, they're a bit like wild animals, unpredictable and sometimes risky. So, it's important to tread carefully, do lots of research, and only invest money you're prepared to risk. Think of it as adding a dash of spice to a meal. A little can enhance the flavor, but too much might overpower everything else. Let's talk about a cool way to make money without having to work for it every day, called passive income investments. Imagine setting up a small machine in your room that prints money every now and then, without you having to do much. That's kind of what passive income investments are like. They allow you to earn money regularly with little effort after your initial investment. Let's check out a few simple examples. Dividend stocks are like owning a tiny piece of a company. If the company makes a lot of money, they say thank you by giving you a small share of the profits, called dividends. It's like getting a little gift for being part of the team. The best part is, you get these gifts while still owning your tiny piece of the company, which might also get more valuable over time. Peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending is like lending money to a friend who needs to borrow some cash, except it's online and you're lending to people you don't know. They promise to pay you back with a little extra as a thank you for helping them out. This way, your money is making more money by just sitting there. Just remember, sometimes people might have trouble paying back, so it's smart to lend to a few different people to spread out the risk. Automated investment funds, or what some people call robo-advisors, are like having a smart robot friend who takes care of your money. You give it some cash to look after, and it uses its robot brain to decide where to invest it to help it grow. You don't have to pick stocks or worry about when to buy and sell. Your robot friend does all that for you, making it super easy to help your money grow without much work on your part. These are some ways you can put your money to work, earning more money over time without having to do daily work for it. It's a bit like planting a garden. Once you've done the initial work of planting, you just have to check on it from time to time, letting the plants grow and produce fruits or flowers. Just like a garden, with a little care and patience, passive income investments can grow and provide a steady harvest of money. Heading into the world of investing can be like setting off on a big adventure. To make sure it's a fun and successful journey, here are some simple tips to keep in your backpack. Learn as you go. Think of investing like learning to play a new video game or starting a new hobby. The more you learn and understand, the better you'll get at it. Read up, watch videos, and maybe even take a class or two to get smarter about where and how to invest your money. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just like you wouldn't wear shorts in a snowstorm, you shouldn't put all your money into just one type of investment. Spread it out across different things like stocks, bonds, or real estate. This way, if one doesn't do so well, the others might still be doing great, keeping your overall investment safe. Be patient. Good things take time. Investing is more like a slow cooker than a microwave. You might not see big wins overnight, but with patience, your investments can grow over the years. It's all about playing the long game and waiting for your investments to blossom. Know your comfort zone. Everyone has a different level of comfort when it comes to taking risks. Some people love skydiving, others prefer keeping their feet on the ground. Understand what kind of investor you are. If taking big risks makes you nervous, it's okay to choose safer investments. The goal is to grow your money without losing sleep at night. Ask for directions. It's okay to ask for help. Just like you might use a map or ask for directions on a road trip, sometimes getting advice from a financial advisor can be super helpful. They can give you tips and guidance tailored just for you, helping you make the best decisions with your money. Investing can be an exciting journey with lots of learning and opportunities along the way. By staying curious, spreading out your investments, being patient, knowing your limits, and asking for help when you need it, you're setting yourself up for a great adventure in the world of investing. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but also about enjoying the journey.